Well, we're out here and it snowed a couple days ago, just one day, and it's still out here. Cooter's right here eating a big old pork shoulders. Look at that big old boy. Don't tell me he don't get fed good. And another pit just came up. Cooter, you like that? Cooter, was it good? Well, he's snacking on that. I'm gonna go back in here. Got some breakfast cooking, bacon. But I'll show you the snow, and there's a pit over there. I don't know if he's gonna come back around. He's right over there in that yard. So hopefully they won't do any fighting or anything. I kind of want to watch him. Keep an eye on him. Oh well, this is the snow and Cooter Brown eating a pork shoulder. He's going to town over there. And we gotta watch out for this pit over here. Probably a neighbor. Cooter, bring it over here. Come here, pick it up, come here. Come on, let me see it. Let me see it. Good God, look at that. God, you get treated like a king, don't you? You're like a big old king, big old lion, king of the jungle. All right, well, that's it. I'm going in.